Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by January. I'm January if this is your first time here. Today's video I'm going to be doing a unboxing video from Amazon's baby registry. I recently created a registry with Amazon. So if you want to see me unboxing what you get from the welcome box, then keep on watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading new videos. See you guys in the video. Okay, so let's get right into it. So this is what the box looks like. It's not a bad size box. And again, I received this for adding things to my registry. I started my registry, I added like maybe 50 items to it so far. And I actually purchased, if you purchase $10 worth of items that's been added to your registry, you can purchase it or someone else can purchase it. Then you are eligible to add the welcome box to your cart, and then they will send it to you. And there's no cost for shipping or anything like that. You just have to purchase something from your registry, and then you'll get the welcome box. Comes with a little card here explaining everything as far as the registry goes. Comes with the swaddle, amazing baby muslin swaddle, breathable super soft cotton blanket. Comes with this. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it looks like it has little zebras on it. So it comes with that. It comes with an Avent 4-ounce natural bottle here. That's what that looks like. It comes with samples of Honest shampoo plus body wash, Perfectly Gentle from Honest Company, and Honest face and body lotion, Purely Simple. Comes with 2 little small bottles, samples of that. A sample of the Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. A sample of the Aveeno baby daily moisture lotion. A sample of the Philips Avent 2 disposable breast pads. Good to have if you're breastfeeding. And last but not least, it comes with a sample of the water wipes. The water wipe baby wipes. And it's got 10 wipes in here. So everything that came in the box from Amazon. So let me know if you guys want to see any more unboxing videos as far as like baby registry stuff. If you do, please let me know down in the comments. And I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya. Smooches.